How to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. Here's a basic way to do it. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Take a screenshot of your Instagram for the next step. Now go to Google to open Instaguru GPT, a new feature of ChatGPT. By using this, ChatGPT can basically critique or roast your Instagram account. Click this symbol and choose Upload a File, and choose the picture of your account that we took a screenshot. Now in this part, choose the picture of your Instagram account for ChatGPT to roast it or critique. Now, wait for a few seconds and click the Upload or Send button to roast it by ChatGPT. Now in this part, it will start to roast your Instagram account. After a few seconds, it will show you some results of your Instagram account, and also it will give you some tips for the next caption for your post. For example is motivational, relatable, and engaging. Also, it will show you some hashtags to boost your engagement. Just so you know, you may also send a screenshot of your post to Instaguru or ChatGPT to make it more better. And basically, that's how to get ChatGPT to roast your Instagram account. Hope you learned something.